Outlaw. You love the snow, baby girl? Can't stop looking at it, huh? I know. Sweet baby girl who loves the snow. Sweetheart.
It's no big deal. You wear a white coat, I wear a blue blazer. That means we can't be friends at work. And so be it. I understand. Hey, when I'm in a play and you're in the audience, I don't talk to you, right? So it's cool. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, when we're in the audience, he doesn't talk to us, but he does wave.
Oh, bird. Bird.
Why should you saying to Carl Malden?
Oh my goodness gracious, how precious. Oh, there's a silent meow. Where is it? Where'd it go?
Yes, we had sex.
Oh my goodness.
She didn't agree with me as strongly as she agreed with Joe.
I don't see it, baby.
I see your point.
Maybe it flew away. Oh, it's right there on the tree. Uh-huh. Yep. Yeah, babe. I saw it. Good job, Miss Outlaw.
No matter where everything goes, it's always nice.
Where you gonna go? Outside?
What makes you go from nice to what? God, somebody's killing me.
It's frustrating, isn't it? Sweet baby.
Draw an actual what? Whoa, she's hot.
You got it?
1, 2, 3.
Okay.